Hey y'all, come spend the day with us as freshmen at Baylor University and let us recap the best time of our lives. We started off the morning by getting ready and heading to our first class of the day, speech. Obviously, we're in a good mood thinking about how special Baylor University is to us. Here's Anna, she's pumped too. Obviously, we need our daily dose of heyday. Anyways, after getting to run the Baylor line at every home football game, experiencing the strong community rooted in faith, living through the ups and the downs of dorm life, and of course, eating the iconic dining hall foods like Mimo cookies and Chicken Nugget Thursday, we can undoubtedly tell you that our freshman year has been one of a kind. After speech, we headed to the sub to get some Chick-fil-A. It hits every time, and they did not disappoint on the fries. They were filled up to the max. You already know, we sniped Carson on the way to the business school. Absolute icon. Just look at how gorgeous the business school is. Next on our agenda is American Lit. We actually have too much fun in there. On another note, Baylor has brought us the most amazing friendships. As y'all could probably tell, our day started out a bit gloomy, but luckily the sun finally came out. And honestly, that is exactly how we feel about the friendships that Baylor has brought us. No matter what challenges we face, what grade we make on an exam, or if we just need a shoulder to cry on, we know we'll always have these people as a light to brighten our day. And we'll always be there for them. God has blessed us in numerous ways over these 2 semesters, and words will never be able to express our love and gratitude for our biggest blessings, our friends. Okay, we had to get Cinti on y'all for a sec. It's time for a study sesh at our favorite place in the entire world, Fabled. And obviously that means I have to get the Turkish Delight. Erin got the Green Gables, and she gave it a 10 out of 10. And yes, we always have Hosier on repeat. Truly though, y'all, we've already learned so much in just 2 semesters at Baylor. One of the most important lessons we've learned is that you have to balance your social life and academics. Study sessions at Collins or a good moody push are our favorites. But then also schedule in those late night sweet treat runs and Pizookie Tuesdays. Also guys, don't stress about making your forever friends right off the bat. And you're gonna make mistakes because it's inevitable. But the good parts of college definitely outweigh the hard times. Most importantly, you are gonna find your people and your place. It just happens at different times for everyone. So be patient, because speaking from experience, it is so worth the wait. I mean, just look at these amazing human beings. As y'all could probably tell, we had sorority chapter for Theta. Then after dinner at Mimo, we ended off the night in prayer and worship. See y'all soon. Bye.